This magnificent animal was known as Cecil, a 13-year-old lion who was a well-known and much-loved attraction at the Hwange National Park in Zimbabwe. The animals are protected, but it's thought Cecil was lured out of the park and then shot by an American hunter who'd paid tens of thousands of pounds to local guides.
This animal was shot at 10 o'clock at night and using a bow hunt. This is a specialized hunt. A bow and arrow, as you know it in colloquial terms.
The man responsible has been making the headlines after being named by conservationists as 55-year-old Walter Palmer, a dentist from Minnesota, USA, and a bow and arrow hunting enthusiast. His surgery was closed, his whereabouts unknown, and vitriol from around the world was targeted at his social media sites, which showed him with previous rare animal trophies. In a statement, he said he deeply regretted killing such a well-known animal, saying he had no idea that the lion was a known local favourite, was collared and part of a study until the end of the hunt, blaming his guides. 2 men, a professional hunter and a local farm owner, have been charged with poaching in relation to the death of Cecil. Alistair Leith, BBC News, Addis Ababa.